Welcome to our guide on testing and debugging JavaScript. Testing is an essential part of the software development process that ensures our code works as expected, behaves correctly under different scenarios, and doesn't break or produce errors. We'll explore what testing entails and why it's crucial for delivering high-quality applications. There are several types of testing, and understanding them is essential to develop a comprehensive testing strategy. We'll cover unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and more. Let's dive into unit testing using Jest, a popular testing framework for JavaScript. We'll learn how to write and run tests, cover basic concepts like stubbing and mocking. In this step, we'll learn how to mock dependencies using Jest. We'll see why mocking is essential and how it simplifies testing by isolating components. Now let's explore integration testing using Cypress. We'll learn how to write tests that cover interactions between multiple components. In this step, we'll cover debugging techniques using Chrome DevTools. We'll see how to inspect elements, set breakpoints, and use the console. Let's discuss common mistakes and misconceptions related to testing and debugging. We'll cover topics like over-testing, under-testing, and more. In this final step, we'll outline next steps for your testing and debugging journey. We'll provide resources for further learning and practicing what you've learned.